Hey you guys, welcome to math. Today is Monday, December 14th. Ooh, next week is Christmas, so there's only 5 more days in this week, and then next week will be into the week of Christmas. I bet you guys are so excited. Okay, just a quick review. We've got our hundredths chart here. I've colored the even numbers red. So let's count the evens. Count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. These are called the even numbers. So if you see the pattern, we're skipping a number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I'm going to color the odd numbers, so that will be the numbers that I skipped. Those are going to be colored yellow. You can do this on your hundredths chart. Some of you might not have one because you maybe started doing virtual learning after I sent these home. But you can print one off the computer, or you can have your mom or dad email me and I can send you one on the computer or send you one in your packet, okay? So, okay, sorry, just making sure. So I've got the yellow numbers are the odd numbers. So even is red, yellow is odd. Can you tell what the pattern for the even numbers is? The pattern is to add 2, and you're kind of skipping one. So add 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Adding one to a number was just like counting, right? If I said what's 1 more than 1, you would say 2. It's just like counting. But if we add 2 to a number, it's called counting by twos. So 2, add 2, 4, add 2, 6, add 2, 8, add 2, 10. We'll practice this a lot, okay? The opposite numbers are called the odd numbers. They are called odd. Say odd. What's the pattern for the odd numbers? Same thing, add 2. 1 add 2 is 3. 1 add 2 is 5. 5 add 2 is 7. So you're just skipping 1 and adding 2. Okay, so those are the evens and odds. Let me see. Okay, I think that is it. Go ahead and pull out your math facts. With your math facts today, we're going to do it together. It skips around a lot. Before, we did all minus together. Then we changed and we did all plus together. Today, for math, it's all mixed in. Okay, so I'll do it with you. Pull your thing out, your paper out, and we will get started. Okay. All right, we got to pay attention to the sign, plus or minus. Plus means bigger, minus means smaller. Ready? 0 plus 1 equals 1. 6 minus 1 equals, you try to say it before me, okay? 5. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 6 equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Last row. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Jelly bean. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Okay, so that's what it's like when we're trying to mix all the plus and the minuses together. So you have to pay attention to the signs. Then you have to go bigger for add, smaller for minus or subtract. It's kind of a lot, so just do your very best and practice. If you want to, I probably went a little fast for some of you, so you can do these by yourself and then check yours with mine after if you want. Let's do lesson 56. Write your name. The date today is December, which is a 12, and 12, 13. It's the 14th today, and it's 2020. And the day of the week is Monday. If you want to push pause on this, you can, and then you can copy the date down. Okay, I finally figured out a way to do this where I can put the paper down so you can just look at the paper the whole time. So tomorrow it'll look different, and I think it'll be a little easier to follow along. Okay, trace the number 51. A 51 has 2 digits, a 5 and a 1. So this first number is a digit, the second number is a digit. Together 51 has 2 digits, okay? Down and around and give it a hat. Come straight down and that is all to make the number 51. Come straight down, nope, down and around and give it a hat. Come straight down and that is all to make the number 51. Okay, number 2, there are 4 stuffed bears and 3 books on Bob's bed. 3 stuffed bears and 3 books on Bob's bed. There are 2 more stuffed bears on a chair in his room. 2 more stuffed bears. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the stuffed bears. So we actually don't even have to pay attention to the books. It's just asking about the bears. We've got 3 bears on the bed, 2 bears on the chair. So we're trying to add them together, right? So what's the first number we write? 3 plus 2 equals 5. How many stuffed bears does Bob have? 5. Okay, number 3, color the squares with even numbers yellow. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky because on my paper I colored the even numbers red. So don't get confused by that. Grab your yellow crayon. Now remember, even numbers go like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What comes after 10? If we wanted to look at the number line, we would just skip 1. We would add 2, right? We would skip this one, but we would add 2 to 10. 1, 2. 12. Add 2 to 12. 1, 2. Next, you're just skipping 1. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So now if we're going to write from 0 all the way to 20, then we would, so the even numbers are on the bottom, the ones we just colored. The odd numbers are at the top. So we're just going to go 0, 1, down to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see what I'm doing? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we're just filling in the odd numbers, but you can still use these to help you. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see? Okay, draw number 5. Draw a line to divide the cracker in half. So if something is symmetrical, that means when you fold it in half, it'll be the same on both sides. No, you don't have to get it exactly right in the middle, but we're trying to cut it in half. We're trying to make it even on both sides. So take a look at it, draw a line down the middle so that you've cut the cracker in half. 1 half, 1 half. Use a crayon, use a brown crayon to show that 1 half has peanut butter on it. Okay, so get your brown crayon. Color 1 half, either side, doesn't matter. I chose the left side. Then we're going to write a fraction 1/2 on the other side. Fraction is a brand new word. We haven't talked about fractions before. Fractions are numbers to talk about how things are divided. So we have 1/2 of the cracker and we have the other half of the cracker. The way that you write that, the way you write 1/2 as a fraction is 1 with a line and then a 2 underneath it. We'll be doing a lot of fraction practice, so this is the first time we've done it. So 1/2 is brown with peanut butter on it. The other half is showing the fraction 1/2. 1/2. That's it. Nice job, you guys. We'll be doing a lot more of some fun math stuff this week, and then it'll be Christmas, then it'll be January. Can you believe it? So fast. Okay, talk to you soon. Have a great day.